Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day so far. So in today's video, as you guys read the title, I'm going to be talking about and showing you my self-care routine. Some of you might know that I have been going through some tough times. I've been going through a really interesting slash rough transitional type of point in time right now in my life. However, I have been doing a lot of self-reflecting and doing a lot of introspection and really just looking into myself and showing myself some love and taking care of myself, because this video is not going to help me, but this video will definitely, hopefully help some of you guys out there that are going through some tough times, because I know I'm not the only one that is going through stuff. I know we all are going through stuff and go through things at one point or another. And I'm doing much better today. There are my days where I'm not so great, but I know it's normal. I know it's part of the process. If you know what I'm talking about, but I am doing much better. Not only does that benefit you mentally and physically, but it benefits the people around you, the people that you love, because when they see you taking care of yourself, it's going to want to make them take care of themselves. And if you're producing this positive energy and you're taking care of yourself, you're feeling better about yourself, that's inspiring to those around you, and that good energy you're producing within yourself is only going to bleed into everyone else. You know what I mean? And it's just it's helping those around you, whether you're a mom, you're a son, you're going through tough times. Like, self-care is vital. Now obviously, besides the main thing for me, which is spending time with family and people that you love, that is, like, for me at the top of the list. Just spending time with family, spending time with friends, spending time with people that you care about, that you trust. That is a form of self-care. Just having that space with the people that you care about is very important to me, and I've been doing a lot of that lately. It's been very helpful. And besides spending time with people you love, there are other ways that I take care of myself. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. Now, I know it's not just me that enjoys getting a haircut. Whenever I get a haircut, personally, it just always gives me a boost of confidence, makes me feel good. Sometimes it's just the little things that can really make our day. It's part of self-care, part of grooming. It just makes me feel like I can take on the week, makes me feel better. And like I said, even as guys deserve to get pampered this way, and if you can sneak in a little scalp massage, I mean, even better. But yeah, get a good haircut and you will find that your day instantly picks you up and you just feel overall better about yourself. And if you want a nice little drastic change, hey, that can be a good thing as well. It's just hair at the end of the day, and ultimately it just makes me feel really good. All right, so exercise. This has been a huge lifesaver for me. It's no surprise that I love to work out and keep my body moving. However, during times like these, weightlifting has helped me out tremendously. Not only is it good to have as a routine, but studies actually show that exercise makes you feel good because it releases chemicals like endorphins and serotonin that improves your mood. If you exercise regularly, it can reduce your stress and symptoms of mental health conditions like depression and anxiety, and help with recovery from mental health issues. I honestly, you guys, genuinely look forward to working out now, because there's no I just feel so much better afterwards that I look forward to working out now. So I recommend this. There's many different forms of exercise, of course, but do what you feel is best for your body. So many of you might know that I actually used to teach yoga a few years ago, and it's an amazing way to reduce stress, and it really can be life-changing. I try to practice this at least once a week, though there are weeks I practice yoga more and weeks that I don't do it as much as I should. But honestly, there should be an entire video dedicated to the benefits of yoga, because it's pretty remarkable what yoga can do for your body, mind, and spirit. Not only does it improve strength, balance, and flexibility, but it also greatly reduces stress, improves self-esteem, improves attention, boosts memory, heightens your mood, reduces anxiety, and lowers the risk of mental health conditions. So it's just amazing. It centers you and much more. If you guys haven't tried it, I highly recommend diving into yoga. So creativity is pretty subjective, in my opinion. I mean, there are many forms of creativity, and for me, being creative and allowing myself to, do things that I, stopped doing for a while really has made me feel so much better. For instance, I love what I do, and I love the fact that I get to create content for you guys. Like, editing videos really is great for my mind and for my mental health. Like editing videos, editing pictures whenever I do photo shoots, like editing photographs, and just being creative helps me out so much. And I really don't know where I would be without my creativity. It's just a part of me. And like I said, if you are going through some tough times, dive into your creativity, whether it be painting, even culinary arts. There are many different forms of arts, even like architect. Whatever it is that makes you feel creative, do more of that, and you will definitely notice an improvement with your confidence and your self-esteem. And yeah, so creativity for me is up there with part of my self-care, and it's something that I try to practice at least all year round, not just through dark times, but just in general. So reading has also been a huge part of my self-care. Reading in general is something that I really like to do, and I've been getting really into lately. Self-help books and just books in general help me get out of my head and into another world. Plus, reading books that are of self-help really helps me put things into perspective, and just, it tests my mind with new ways of thinking. And for me, this process is all about growth, and I'm really looking forward to growing as a person and striving to be the best version of me that I can be, and that I know I can be. So reading books like this just allows me to attain knowledge and to, like I said, find new ways of thinking. So I have been reading quite a bit, actually. I feel like I've read more in this last month than I have in like a year. I've read 3 books already, actually, in like a month and a half. So I don't know. I'm really into reading right now, and it's just, I don't know. I've been really into it. So I like it. Writing and journaling can also be very beneficial for your life. Writing down what you're feeling each day can help you out tremendously, like it's done for me. I also have a gratitude journal that I write every single day. I make myself write it every night or morning, just what I'm thankful for, positive affirmations, and it has a really good impact in my life. And, I just notice overall mental clarity. And sometimes us humans have a lot of thoughts in our head just cluttered up there. And I have found that when I write down what I'm feeling, what I'm going through, it really helps clear my mind, and it just allows me to let go of all of that. Plus, did you also know that there is some research that suggests that those that write about what is happening tend to overcome tough moments quicker than those who don't? So I thought that was very interesting. Plus, not only that, but you can write down goals. It doesn't have to be what you're going through. You can just write down your goals, your tasks, because it's demonstrated that setting your goals in writing actually increases significantly the possibilities of you actually achieving them. So I have just found that this really helps me out when it comes to self-care. And that wraps up my self-care routine. Hopefully you get some sort of inspiration from this. I did forget 2 important ones for me, which is photography, although I do lump that into creativity. I love photography. It makes me happy, as well as eating healthy. That is a big one that I forgot to mention. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what is your form of self-care? As long as these things bring you joy and happiness into your life, that is self-care. And you deserve it. You are worth it. You are special, and you deserve all the happiness and some love and some self-care. So let me know in the comments, what is that to you? What do you love to do? All right. I appreciate your support and all the love. I read every single comment. Thank you so much. I really don't know how else to put it into words. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to log off here, and I will see you until next time.